Good afternoon. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a quick walk-around video for our 2021 Audi RS5 Sportback. This is a fantastic car, local car, purchased new by a good friend of mine who just doesn't have a use for it anymore. He has several cars and this one just wasn't getting the use, so he wanted to put it on the market, and I was happy to oblige. Just a gorgeous car, no bad days, no scars, no issues, just as nice as you could imagine. This one has paint protection film up to the doors, so both fenders and hood and front bumper. It's scar-free and just as perfect as you would hope. All the wheels are excellent, no curb damage, no spoiler damage, just a peach. Just as nice as you could hope for. So I'm gonna get it out in the sunshine and show you that too, but rest assured there's no swirl marks or issues on the paint of any kind. Also, the inside is just mint as well. So no scarring, no bolster damage, no smoking, no pets, no sticky buttons, and no problems whatsoever. Just a gorgeous car, and what a blast to drive. Both keys, yeah, gorgeous car, guys. Get one while you can. They are a very special vehicle. All right, thanks again.